Hello friend, Balkishan here from VFX episodes. As you saw in the previous video, we removed tracking marker using the pen tool. But today we'll do the same thing but with the transform mask. So as you know, this is our footage which we used previously. So for that, I'm going to take a transform mask. This is our transform mask and I'm going to connect this transform mask here. Okay, and here we have roto. Okay, so let's remove this marker. Okay, so we have created a roto mask over here. Now let's transform this to the side on x-axis. Okay, so the concept is very simple. We are just taking a sample from the side of this marker. We are just transforming that area over the marker to hide this. Okay, it's very simple. See, it's gone. Let's remove some marker more here. So as I can see, the marker is removed very easily. Let's add our tracker also so that the roto shape will follow the footage. Once check by playing the shots. See, the marker is removed perfectly. Now the another method is PXF filler. This is the filler. In the next video, we're going to remove marker by this and we'll talk more about it. I have another footage, wait, I will show you. Let's change and let's fix the format. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If still you are watching this video, please hit the like button or subscribe so that I feel very motivated. Also share with your friends if someone wants this, and thanks again. See you in the next video.